going to use Loom as well. It's another great video tool, really quick and easy, and it's free. I'm logged into a Google Chrome web browser. I'm going to say get Loom, it's free, and I can continue with my Google Chrome account and ask me which account, and this is the one I'm signed into right now, and I have to agree to their privacy. It's going to say I can download it because I'm on a PC. It knows I'm on a PC, but I can look at more options. I'm going to just install it on my Google Chrome account, and I can fill in that I'm with a company or I'm not if I want to. I'm going to say I'm not with a company. All right. How can Loom help you? I'm going to use it for explaining stuff, okay, or demoing a product. I think they're just trying to track who's using it, okay. Then we go to the Chrome Web Store, and we're going to add in this extension called Loom. There's a little video on how to use it as well if you like. And we'll say add the extension. It's going to pop up here in a second to say that it's been added to my Google Chrome account. There it is right there. Close. And then if we want to use it, we can go ahead and create a video. I just went to my normal account. I'm going to make a video now, and I'm going to grab this Loom. I'm on a page I want to record on. I'm going to grab Loom, and I've got some options to record the screen and my camera. The camera is going to be just a little bit in the bottom here, and I'd have to look into my video camera if I want to. I can change that. Just what's on my screen or the camera only. So whatever I want to do, I'm going to do a double one here. And I can say just on the tab that's open or on whatever's on my desktop. I think I'll just pick the tab that's open right now in my Google Chrome. And I'm going to say start recording. Gives me the countdown. Now I can talk and make a video about what's on my page. As you can see, my mouse moves around and I can click on things, move to different things, all that kind of stuff if I want to. And when I'm finished making my video, in the bottom left here, I'm going to say finish recording. Once it's done, it's actually pulled up the page my site was on, but I can rename that if I want to. And if I rename that to Test for Tech Fest, I can look at it there, and I can just grab that link. So the link I can then send to anybody if I want to, or if I want to be pasting it nicely inside a Dropbox or news item, I can go to share and get the embed code instead. And this is really nice. It actually responsive, it'll change depending on the size of the screen or the window that's open. So I like that one. I'm going to say copy the code. Then I can go to a news item, for example, and add a new news item. And I can say test Loom, and I can go ahead and paste right in here by clicking on the insert stuff button, enter embed code, paste that stuff we just got, and say next, and then insert, and then I'm just going to publish at the bottom. And we'll see now when I come back to my home page, that video fills that area and it's ready to play. Now I can talk and make a video about what's, and you'll see what's on my screen, and you see the picture of the person making the video so they know it's a real live person at the other end.